what's good? It's your boy Sir Willoughby, and welcome to the Hustle House. I'm dropping you some information this week. I hope your week has been going great. My week has been amazing. I cannot complain. If I feel like I'm yelling a little too loud, it's because I'm out in the field today. I'm not in my regular studio. So today I'm just gonna give you this information because I gotta drop this information before the market opens. So today, first of all, I want to tell you, if you got in the market this year and it's your first year as a trader or as an investor, I want to say I'm proud of you. You took the first step to start changing wealth for your family. I'm deeply, deeply happy for you, and I'm proud of you. And I want you to continue to grow. And I want you to continue to learn. I also want to let you know that we dropped some bangers earlier this week. We was talking about AMD. We was talking about Snap. We was talking about with QUBT. I got those. I dropped those in the Discord. We made some money off of that. The CPI data this week came in. That had the market sold or selling off at the beginning of the week. When the market was selling off at the beginning of the week, and a lot of people was kind of scared, kind of greedy. Kind of fearful. CPI data came in on Wednesday. CPI did pretty good, way better than expected. So instead of 1 or 2 rate cuts, then it made me they're leaning toward maybe 3 or 5 rate cuts. And the market digested that information very great. Did way better than it did with the employment numbers. And when the market digested that CPI data, ran it in, priced it in, and the market's back off, taken back off. We was pretty up yesterday on the market. Everything was pretty much green. S&P rose. We're going to get into that. And we're going to talk about the market updates. Let's check out our heat map, and let's see where we sitting at right now. All right, we check our heat map out. We got Microsoft sitting at 2.56%. Tech is green. Meta ran up 3.85%. Google ran up 3.10%. You got Apple up 1.9%. Nvidia back up 3.5%. Amazon up 2.5%. Tesla did a cool whopping 8%, guys. Everything's looking pretty green according to that CPI data this week. So like I was telling you, if you was kind of fearful at the beginning of the week and you didn't see any opportunity in the market, if you was fearful at the beginning of the week and you didn't see any opportunity in the market when opportunity was already ready to present itself, when those plays fell down 10, 20%, 5%, you were supposed to hop on those plays, find that opportunity, make sure your entry was good so you can catch the slingshot back up. A lot of people caught the slingshot back up in some of these plays and getting these gains off of the good CPI data. We also got earnings coming up. Big earnings are coming up real soon. So when the earnings get ready to come up, I will drop a lot of earning plays and a lot of earnings videos for different sectors and different individual stocks. So let's keep it moving. Let's talk about the market. Okay, the market this morning, you got the S&P up 1.83%. The Dow is up 1.65%. NASDAQ up 2.45%. You got the Russell up almost 2%. You got your VIX up 6.2%. Not good, but it's definitely below 18. And we want to keep the VIX below 18. And we know that we're still making some money. The VIX go over 18, then we know then that when the VIX hit over 18, we know, hey, we could be getting a sell-off soon. We need to be looking to take profit for the place that we in, or we need to be looking for opportunity when the VIX is over 18. When the VIX is under 16, some money is trying to be made. Under 18, some money is being made. So let's dive into it. I'm going to give you a little Snapchat update. So the Supreme Court banned TikTok. Snapchat ran up yesterday 4%, closed the day at 1184. Recently, right now, in the pre-markets is down. That same 4% gave it right back to the market, almost 3.97%. Basically just gave all those yesterday gains right back to the market. What's going on with Snap? I think Snap is being heavily shorted. I think it's being heavily suppressed. It's a great company so far. They're not profitable yet, but they are bringing in great revenue, and their revenue is expected to increase over 50% from last earnings quarter. And they looking to present earnings real soon. Obviously, I think it's next month. They earnings date February 4th. So Earnings date February 4th. If Snap can give us some good earnings, I can see Snap going back to the $13 range, kind of hanging out there until the next move up. We got you got Snap down 5% on the week, that up 4% on the month. So that's pretty good. Let's go on some Snapchat news. Let's see what they're talking about, the analysts and stuff. Let's see what's really going on. Can we do a deep dive? You got Snapchat looks to scoop up TikTok users with the new campaign. Okay, so that's good news. TikTok got a new campaign that they're running because they know that TikTok users will be needing somewhere to go to. With TikTok close to being removed from the U.S., which the Supreme Court already ruled on, and if you got TikTok, it probably will be off of your phone, or you might not have access to the app anymore after January the 19th. So always be on the lookout for that. I'm not really a TikTok user, so y'all drop in the comments and let me know, hey, when they took it off and when it happens. It says that Snapchat has launched a new campaign to highlight its creators and how people can find creative original talent in its app. Snap finds your favorite Snap. Find your favorite on Snapchat campaign, which is being launched across digital channels in the US. Will feature a range of Snap stars talking about the content that they created and how you can find them in the app. Yeah, it's pretty blatantly appealing to migrating TikTok users to its content. So they're trying to find a ad, or they're trying to find some type of marketing to get TikTok users to come over here, even TikTok sellers to come to Snapchat and start making some money on their platform. This is what Snap says. It says, we offer all kinds of ways for our creators to find success on Snapchat. Our efforts to support creators have contributed to the number of creators posting content growing approximately 50% year over year. In Q3 2024, we have reported that total time spent viewing content on Snapchat is up 25% year over year, and Spotlight reached more than 500 million monthly active users in Q3. So that's great news. Snap further highlights its recently updated creator monetization program. So if you're on Snapchat, you now can be monetized for your content just like you can on Facebook and Instagram and TikTok. So Snap is trying to catch up with these other big social media platforms and making sure that you can get paid just like you can get paid on Instagram. So let's go. That's a great marketing and a great new program to start bringing in those TikTok sellers, which now emerges as Spotlight and Store's monetization program into one screen. It also has its Snapstar Collab Studio to facilitate creative brand partnerships, as well as pathways for specific creators to make money via the app. So that's great news. That's great news. Snapchat is trying to, compete. They're trying to compete. They don't want to be left behind. I don't blame them. Okay, this Zach says Snap is a top rated growth. Should you buy? Should you buy? It says Snap is a flagship product. Snapchat is a mobile. Well, we know what that is. I'm sorry. This is what Zach said. Take full advantage of the stock market and investing with confidence are common goals for new and old investors alike. While you may have an investing style, you can rely on Zach momentum to, check the scores. Zach says Snap sits at a Zach's rating of a 2, and it's a buy. Holds a growth style score of 8. So earnings and sales are forecasted to increase over 177.8% and 16.3% year over year, respectively. So Snap is making some money, and Zach see that the estimate has increased from 0 to 25 cents per share. Snap also boosts the average earnings surprise of 58.6%. Snap is also cash rich, and the company has generated cash flow growth of 2.8% and is expected to report cash flow expansion of 70%. So the company is great. The company is amazing. The stock is doing horrible right now. So what we can do is we can see that and say, hey, I got Snap. It's a great company. It's a great company from the numbers, and they're growing. Do I want to grow with Snapchat? Do I want to see this as an investment, or do I see this as a swing trade? It's all about how you look at it. I see Snapchat right now as a swing trade. I won't hold it, but I see it right now as a swing trade. And you got potential growth definitely in the upcoming earnings for this year. They're making money. They got cash. That's what I like to see. Let's move it along. We're gonna talk about QUBT. Yes, we're talking about QUBT. They closed yesterday. This is a quantum computing company. If you don't know about quantum computing, it's like the next AI, the next new thing, the AI. It's quantum computing is what's driving AI right now, because you got to have a quantum computer or something along with the quantum realm to enhance AI even further than what AI is at. Quantum right now closed yesterday at 11:05. I'm sorry why you can't see the chat. Let me refresh it. I don't know why you can't see the chart. Refresh my screen. Give me a second. Definitely want to see the chart. Okay. All right. So quantum closed yesterday at 11:55. I alerted this in my Discord on Friday. Well, not the Discord, but I alerted this in the Stock Hustler University on Friday. I said, if this thing goes close, it fell off 50% off of Nvidia CEO news. I said, if this thing breaks over $11, you need to hop in this call for a $14 call. I alerted this in my group. I jumped in this play early. I'll show you how much money we made so far from jumping in a little early. I didn't wait for the confirmation, but today the confirmation has came through. So yeah, you got QUBT right now up 7% in the pre-market, sitting at 12.36 in the pre-markets, and she's been moving. Closed yesterday at 11.44. Now jumping into the pre-markets, and the market is open right now. So boom, that's 12. Yep. She's on the run right now. So, but let's hop into some of the news. Quantum Computer announces collaboration with Sanders Tri-Institutional Therapeutics Discovery Institute to support research using D3 systems. So what this means? This means the innovative integrated phonics and quantum optics technology company today announced a collaboration with the Sanders Tri-Institutional Therapeutics to drive an advancement of research in computational biomedicine. Through this collaboration, QCI will provide Sanders with access to its quantum computation technology and hardware, specifically with the D3 interoperability quantum computing machine to support the Institute's experimental work. So when NVIDIA CEO said that quantum computing was far-fetched, it's not. It's already here. And they just solidified a deal with a nonprofit company to actually use their quantum computing. So this is great. This is great news. Quantum computer stocks rebound after massive sell-off in the industry. We rose yesterday almost 2.3%. We did 50% yesterday. You got quantum computer stocks rebounding Tuesday afternoon after massive sell-off fueled by big tech. And that's when we go back to talking about what NVIDIA CEO said, and he made it sell off, and we're trying to catch the rebound up, and we actually caught the rebound up. This is a call I got into on Friday with QUBT. It expires on January 31st, $14 call. I bought it at $30, ran it up, hit 145. We actually up 530% on that play. All right, now let's get into it. These are the two main plays I'm bringing to the family. What I'm bringing to the family, we got RxRx and we got IVO. These are therapeutic bio companies. They work in medicine. They got heavy investors like BlackRock, Kathy Woods, Vanguard, and they also are invested with NVIDIA, and NVIDIA are invested with them. So RxRx is coming up. I think this is the hypothesis that I have for these two companies. They're at a bottom. Both of them are at a bottom. We made money on these companies last year. But right now, we know in Q1, Q2, these bio companies are going to start phasing up and getting approved for different trials and getting approved for the medicines that they was working on last year. So if we can get these guys to phase up and get some more investor money coming in, these can heavily take off. You got RxRx at a buy at 40%. And you can easily see it's sitting at 642. It can go. They got it potentially to go to $11 and could potentially fall to $10. It's already under that $10 range, so we at the bottom. So we can see we catch the ride from 642 to $10 or $11. You get what I'm saying? So we're gonna that's RxRx. We got IOVA 90% buy, 90% buy. Currently, when I took this screenshot, it was $5.98. We got it hinted at a price target of $32 from $10 to $32, which is already under that 10 mark. So I mean, it's undersold. I mean, oversold tremendously, and we could easily get in and start loading down here and see if we can catch that ride at least to the $20 to $32 range. That's the price target for that. The buys for that. These are the price targets for the analysts. RxRx got a price target of $10 from Bank of America. Key Bank says $10. You got Nedham says you can see they see RxRx going to 11. You got IOVO Barclays say they're seeing IOVO going to 22. You got Wells Fargo right here say they're saying it's a strong buy. You got Truist Financial saying, hey, the IOVA is a strong buy right now. You got Goldman Sachs say this thing can go to $22. You also got JMP Security saying IOVA can go to $23. HC Winwright says $32. That's a good buy. Says $32 is a good buy. You got Stanfield saying 21 as a good buy, and Mizzou Security saying this is a good buy right now. So how we gonna take this information? We're gonna take it with a grain of salt. Always, we're gonna go do our deep dive and our research, and we're gonna figure out what's going on for real. So let's tap in. All right, you got a daily positive sentiment of bullish. It's extreme bullish. So I'm thinking that right now with that positive sentiment of bullish, you got 9 different bullish signals that Moo tools alerted. So by the way, I'm using Moo tools. If you want to get these same tools that I use to find these plays and get this information, Moo offer these tools for you for free. All thing you gotta do is just go over there and sign up and get you an account. You can use these have same access to these same tools that I use. So we got IOVA is very bullish. Let's check out the chart. Here we got the chart. We're gonna wait around $10 and $12.50. That's a take profit area, and that's your wait area. We ain't really worried about it when it go up there because you can see 2 times at the top when it hit that 12.50, she immediately sells off tremendously. So that's a strong weight at 12.50 in the $10 range. So we're currently right here at the bottom. We're currently right here at the bottom at the $7. At the $5 range. So if you're an investor, this is a great buy for you. If you're a trader, I would wait until it gets back into my buy zone over 715. So my buy zone is strong at $7 and $9. So if it goes up to 7, I need to be buying heavy in here because I potentially catch that breakout all the way back up to 12.50. But right here, if I'm an investor, I'm loading anything below $6 on IOVA. Like I'm just buying shares. I'm just buying shares. I'm just buying shares. If it break below $6, it can easily. If it break below the 575, it can easily go back down to $4. So just be careful and always have your risk management on. If you're a trader, I set my stop loss at 525, 550. Let's go to RxRx. We got RxRx. RxRx is I see take profit at 850 to 950. I got a strong buy zone between 650 and 750. I want to buy this heavily, which is currently sitting there. I'd rather get it on towards the lower side. Right now, it's a great buy. It's in a great area that I'm looking to pick up shares right now in option plays. You will get those if you're in the university. You will get those soon as I alert them. They go straight to your phone. You get in when I get in. It's I gotta take profit. I'm sorry. I got a stop loss. If you're trading this, I got a stop loss at 585 or $6. And if you're investing in this, I got below 550, $6. Add more, add more, add more. Right now, IOVA and RxRx are bottom plays, and I'm looking to add a lot more to these plays so I can catch that ride back up with them during their earnings season and then when they get to phasing up through their trials. So I hope you like this information. I hope you got these plays and you make you some money today on this good Thursday. If you like what you like and you like what I like and you like the information that I perceive to you, please don't be afraid to join the Introduction to Wall Street Masterclass that's going to be live online January 26, 2025. Grab your ticket. The link will be in the description below. Don't be afraid. Let's start learning. Take the L off and learn so you can earn and make some real money and learn. All right, if you're already a seasoned investor, you already got some good, stock markets training. You already know what you're doing. You know how to buy. You know how to sell. You got your foundation. You just need help getting alerted with good plays, and you need help just getting alerted and staying on top of the news. Join the Stock Hustler University, and in our mentorship, you're gonna get these buy alerts immediately soon as I hit my phone before I make a video. You're gonna get them. You're gonna get all my crypto plays soon as before I don't even really make too many videos on crypto. So, but you're gonna get my crypto plays. You're gonna get hands-on training, and we're gonna do once a week technical analysis. So if you want to learn the chart, we're gonna meet once a week, and we're gonna start doing technical analysis once a week in the university so you can learn and find these plays on your own and get your own jewels. So if you like what I like, I thank you for watching. Hit the like, subscribe, notification bell, share this video with a family member. Also, remember, I believe in you, God believes in you, and your support system who support you believe in you. You just got to believe in you. Remember, motivation plus dedication equals progression. Let's go. Go be great. Let's hustle.